So the UK's signing of free trade agreements is a real pivot in the economic engagement we're seeing from the UK to our international counterparties. If we think about the TPP and the value that our corporate customers will derive from that, you're talking about free trade across 99% of goods into the region across 11 countries. So again, really beneficial for our underlying customers. If you then play that forward into the India free trade agreement, that enables over 90% of free trade in terms of export of goods into the Indian economy, as well as providing access to government contracts for our corporates, including a number of our services companies. The real impact for these two free trade agreements are across manufacturing, technology, as well as services, which includes financial services. And we are seeing a big opportunity to support our customer base across these regions as we look to expand our exports from the UK. Preempting a lot of these deals with our customer base, ensuring that they're aware of the changes, is our primary focus. But if you think about some of those markets, the UK GCC, UAE, Saudi and Qatar are our biggest trading partners across the region. Fundamentally, we as an organisation spend a lot of time in region. I'm in region next week meeting some of our key bank partners, really to understand how we can support our corporates in the UK engaging and selling products and services into the region. So from that perspective, we see it as a huge opportunity for continued growth of the UK export market. It is a significant investment from the UK government and really will drive regional growth across the UK. From our perspective, it's very much focused on how can we support the provision of working capital into our corporate customers as they look to build out these mega projects, and really what their sort of requirements are, both across transaction banking, be that from a payments, trade or operational standpoint, all the way through to debt finance and leverage finance accordingly. So the financial sector is key to this, be that from a digital trade perspective, whereby actually we're seeing more unity across the different markets around digital trade, and Lloyds has really been a pioneer in that respect. But also just through to its regional ecosystem and the regional enablement within the UK. So where Lloyds can play a big part in providing, again, advisory services, support for SMEs and regional developments that will drive growth within the UK economy.